Hello, everybody. Welcome to Coach's Barbecue. We're out here in Kingsland, Texas. We're in Kingsland, Texas, and we got a nice fire going with some oak wood, cooking with the oak wood. We're out here at the Granddaddy Cedar Campground. Let me just show you what this looks like. It's just beautiful out here. And I got a bunch of homeless people that I met on the street, and I thought I'd just tie in with them. But we're out here doing a little camping. We got a beautiful campground kitchen over here, and we are preparing. I got a big old Dutch oven. I got a Dutch oven full of my special beans right in there, and we got some of Mama Coach's wonderful muffins, and then I've got some dino ribs and a brisket that I have pre-smoked, and we are getting ready to warm them up again. They've been in the refrigerator, so we're heating up a big old pot of water over there, bringing it to a boil, and we've got these vacuum sealed, and we're gonna drop them in there and warm them up so they're just absolutely beautiful. So we got the youngins over here cutting us some firewood. They're trying to make it happen here. I don't know what they're doing, but they might need a little help. Anyway, so we're having a good old time out here. I hope you're having a good time on a Friday. Enjoying your day, beginning of your weekend. Weather could not be better. Down in here and all these cedars, we're all tucked away. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I got to show you a little bit more. It's just fantastic. We're down here in this bottoms of all these cedars. Beautiful campground down here. It's a kind of a private campground, private facility, but we are having a blast, having an absolute blast. So I'm looking forward to. Hey, is that boiling yet? Did you take a look in there, or is it rolling? That's all right. It's good. It's a lot of water. It's going to take a little while to get up and rolling. Hey, say hello to Julie Payne. You guys remember Julie Payne? That's right. There's Brandon over there. Yeah, man. Mike over there, and Brandon over there. Brad and everybody. We're having a good old time. So it's good stuff. So we're going to get this going. I might show you our results when we're done, but we got a nice oak fire going now, and so we got a fire over here. We got these on the coals. We're gonna warm them up. Then I'm gonna put the beans over on this side, and then I got this big grill. I'm gonna put some coals underneath this. I'm gonna put some pans of cornbread, warm them up over there. So we're fixing to have some good eats here in just a bit. So
only his friends can call him that.
Again, I hope everything's going well with you. It's always a pleasure to see you. I appreciate you checking in with Coach's Barbecue. And like I say, when we get these all done, I'll try to give you a picture of what's going on. You've got these beef ribs and the other ones going, so I'll give you an idea. Yes, it is. It is a great night for camping. We're having a good old time out here. Having a good time for camping. We are down in Kingsland, which is up on a mountain in Kingsland, looking over Lake LBJ. And it's just absolutely beautiful. I love this cascade of rocks that are coming down. There's a swing over there. I don't know if you saw that, but it's a good time, But Amy Robertson, Joey Willis, good to see you. Love you guys, man. Shipped to Tennessee. Occasionally, I can be talked into shipping. We could talk into shipping things out. We're looking into it actually to see what the cost involved and all that. But yeah, we're having a great time here with this campfire behind me. Good sized campfire going on. Really nice kitchen behind me. This outdoor kitchen. I got some great beans going. Can't wait to get these on. Got some beans in there. Those look mighty good. And then our beef ribs. I got some beef ribs that are shrink wrapped here, vacuum sealed, and about an 8 to 9 pound brisket there, and some cornbread. So we're gonna get all that on and get to going. Genevieve, good to see you. Well, I will. I'll tell. Genevieve says say hello to everybody. There's all the fellas. They're out over there. Yeah, man. There's some fellas there. It's going to take a little while. Yeah, man. Bringing it. That's right, Jeff Blakely. Jeff Blakely saying hello. Brandon. Sweet cornbread? No, it's not sweet. I went with a non-sweet cornbread because I got some sweet butter we're going to put on it. So I didn't want to override it with too much sweet. So that's a good question, though. I do like sweet cornbread. The problem I've had with sweet cornbread, when I cook it, it tends to get really, really crumbly. And it doesn't hold together as well. So I'm going with a little bit more of a rugged, hardy cornbread to hold together out here on the campsite. So we'll see how that works out tonight. But yeah, man, we got a bunch of fellas out here. So what's cool is I'll show you this campsite just a little bit while we're waiting for that to heat up. What's cool is this is a place that we've been coming down to for about 12 to 15 years and been grooming it and working it, and it's just beautiful. Yeah, all these tents out here. It's kind of like our own state park or our own little private Boy Scout ranch. So we're having a good time out here. Anyway, I appreciate you guys jumping on board, checking us out. Like I say, I'll try to throw some stuff up there. We love you guys too, man. I love you and I appreciate you. Mr. Tucker, good to see you. Got a fella chopping wood over here. Check out that technique. Work them hips, brother. Get them hips on it. Yeah, man. You can tell who grew up cutting wood and splitting wood with an axe and who didn't. So yeah, man. Yeah, we're having a good time out here, buddy. It's real good. Real good. We got I got some brisket and I got some dino ribs and some beans cooking. We're gonna do some cornbread. I got a little bit of potato salad. So it's gonna be a good meal. Gonna be a good meal. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I think I'm gonna sign off now because I gotta get these ribs and all in the water pot. We're kind of sous videing them, if you will, kind of warming them up because I smoked them already. But now I gotta get them in the water to get them defrosted and get them warmed up and rehomogenate all that fat. Yeah, my dinner bell's ringing. I hear you. Yeah, ours is gonna be ringing here pretty soon. Y'all take care. Talk to you soon. See ya.